Subscribe Mr. Avina's YouTube channel and press the bell icon for regular updates on travel, lifestyle and tutorial videos coming every week. Good morning guys, and I'm back at Bengaluru airport, and I'm heading over to Guwahati, and from there I'm heading towards a plan of like 10 days towards Meghalaya, explore around Shillong, Cherrapunji and many other places. So I'll be heading over to my hometown as well, and let's see how the journey goes. It's 6 a.m. in the morning, and I'm too sleepy, so I'll be sleeping in the plane, and let's see what happens next. Okay guys, and now I'm on seat and we are ready to go. Let's see when the plane starts. Yo guys, and we have landed in Guwahati successfully. In 10-20 minutes I'll be taking a taxi towards Shillong, and let's see what happens. I've taken a taxi for like 600 per person sharing. So let's go. Okay guys, and we are like 50 kilometers away from Shillong, and there is a curfew going on there. But the driver told me that we'll be looking at that, like we'll reach Shillong and see if there is no problem. We'll be heading there, like I'll check into my hotel. I called them and they were like, it's still, you can come and there is no problem and stuff. But if there is some problem and we are not able to make it till the hotel, we'll be heading back towards Guwahati. So let's see what happens on day 1 in Shillong. And let's go. Hey guys, and I have reached my guest house, and there is curfew happening in Shillong and you are not allowed to go out. So I think I will be spending the whole day in the guest house itself, and later see if everything clears tomorrow, and then head towards exploring around the places. And guys, as you can see, due to curfew the internet services has been stopped by the government till sometime, I don't know when. So I'll keep you guys posted on whatever happens today and tomorrow. So let's see. Okay guys, and that was a short video, and as you can see, I'm back to my room in Bengaluru, because I waited for like 10 days, but there was curfew going on. As you know, like there was some communal fight going on out there in Shillong, and till now it's like 14th of June and there's curfew going on like from 6 p.m. in the evening, and the internet facilities are like put to a halt there. After coming out of the hotel to search for some food and stuff, I talked with many guys and also with my friends in Shillong and around Guwahati. They told me that the curfew might go for like 3-4 days, so that's why I headed over to Guwahati, because I don't know what would have happened for the 3-4 days out there. As I heard, like on the second day it was really bad out there, where people were started throwing stones and like different stuff on police people. And after that the army also took measures to like take some of the people to the camp and then keep them safe out there. And yeah, I was not able to cover Meghalaya, but yeah, I will be coming back soon. I don't know when, but yeah, I will definitely be coming back soon, because the journey itself towards Shillong made me think that yeah, this is something I will be visiting definitely after everything cools down. And yeah, after 5-6 days I could have went to Meghalaya to visit Cherrapunji and all, but I thought to like totally not visit Meghalaya for this time, because I don't know what could have happened if I would have been there. But yeah, as you saw, this was just a journey vlog. And yeah, then I went to Assam towards my hometown, and then I headed towards some of the nearby places from Namrup. And yeah, I also got the opportunity to visit Majuli, the biggest river island in the world. So those vlogs of Assam will be coming soon after this. I hope you like the video so far. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe my channel, because more videos are coming from Northeast, not from Meghalaya but from Assam. And yeah, I'll be back to Meghalaya soon. So yeah, see you guys, bye bye.